In this video, I'm going to show you how you can be using quick links to engage more with your customers. And what a quick link is it's basically like a hyperlink or a URL that your customers can click on, and it'll redirect your travelers directly into their photo gallery where they can then view all of their pictures and relive their keepsake video and watch that, download it, share it, and just really kind of remember the experience that they had when they were traveling with you. So it's really quick and easy, and it comes with every single group that travels with you. So a lot of tour operators have used this, especially during the pandemic, where they would go in and they would share these quick links with their group leaders just to connect with them, to re-engage, and to also get them thinking of times when they were traveling again and things were good. So I'm going to show you how to do it. It's very simple and easy. A couple of quick steps. First thing you want to do is you go to grouptravelvideos.com. Then you want to log in with your admin codes. If you don't have those, you can send us a text, send us a message, an email, text, anything like that, and we'll be happy to get those to you. So once you log in, you'll see a few different options, and what we're going to click to is our order history. We're going to go up to the menu. We're going to go order history, and then as a tour operator, travel organization, you should see all the groups that have traveled with you over the years. And you'll notice this is just a demo account, but these are all of the different orders that we've had in our demo account. So I've got a highlight video, I've got a full video, mosaic file, and the quick login. If I click on that quick login, this hyperlink is what we're looking for. So I'm going to click on that. I'm going to copy it really quickly. And just to show you what it does beforehand. So if I click on it, it'll bring me directly into this gallery. So without any usernames or passcodes or anything like that. So your travelers have the option to go back and relive their experience, watch their keepsake video. They can also go through and click any of these images and scroll through and just kind of relive the experience. Pretty awesome. If there's a picture that they like, if they want to download it to their device, they can do that. Simply right click, save image as. There it is. It's downloaded to their device now. Here's an example of how you can send an email to reach back out to connect with those group leaders. So as you can see here, something simple. Hey Lauren, it's hard to believe it's been 2 years since we traveled to France. In case you haven't traveled lately, here are some of your pictures from your trip. Hope you enjoy reliving the memories. And so one little trick you can do is you can highlight over the text that you like, right click, and then we're going to include the hyperlink or that quick link that we talked about right directly in there. So that when your traveler when your group leader is reading the email, they'll see this and they'll be able to click on that and then be directed right back to their group photo gallery to be able to relive the memories and also just remember thinking about you. You also notice that your company's logo is up at the top. It's still branded for your company, so it kind of feels like they're in a part of your website or interacting with your brand a little bit more. And there you have it. So that's it. If you would like to incorporate this, we can create a spreadsheet for you. It's very easy. It'll take all of the information that you have, all of the groups that have traveled with us over the years, and we'll be able to put that on an Excel spreadsheet where it'll have your group leader's name, the destination, the year that they traveled, their email address, and then a copy of that quick link. So you'll have all of that information really quick and easy to be able to reach out to your group leaders, send them an email, and then copy paste that quick link over to reconnect and re-engage with your travelers. If you have any questions about this, please don't hesitate to give us a call. You can reach us at 888-533-7637, extension 209, or you can shoot us an email at any time, or simply just reply to the email that we sent you earlier. All right. Thanks, guys. Thank you for watching. We hope that you are using the quick links to re-engage with your travelers and your group leaders. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out, give us a call, and we'd be happy to put a spreadsheet together with all of this contact information so that you can re-engage with your group leaders as soon as possible.